Good morning, students. In our today's class, we are going to start the topic which is related to the group number 16, and the topic is reactivity of group number 16 elements towards the halogens. Reactivity towards halogens. It means formation of halides, Generally, we see that two types of halides are formed, and they are known as hexahalides and tetrahalides. Hexahalides and tetrahalides. Simple example of hexahalide SF6 and simple example of tetrahalide is SF4. When we see the structure of these halides, this structure fluorine and fluorine. This structure is of hexahalide SF6. In this structure, octahedral structure. This structure is octahedral structure of this molecule. In case of SF4, we have this kind of arrangement in the SF4. Fluorine atoms, these fluorine, another fluorine atoms which we have, these SF4 molecules are present there. So this is the another arrangement in this, that is trigonal pyramidal structure. Another when we have the structure of SCl2. In case of SCl2, the structure is like this. SCl2, that is trigonal pyramidal structure. We have S2Cl2, another S2Cl2, that is S2Cl2. This kind of structures we have in these halides. So this is the general thing which we have related to its properties or reactivity towards the halides. Formation of halides with different elements are present in this. Different elements are present in this formation of halides we have in this particular case. Now another topic, anomalous behavior of oxygen. Anomalous behavior of oxygen. It means the oxygen has the difference in the properties with the other elements present in its group. What are the reasons which are responsible for this? First, small size. Second, high electronegativity. High electronegativity. Third, we have non-availability of d orbitals, non-availability of d orbitals in this non-availability of d orbitals. D orbitals are absent in this oxygen. These are the regions on the basis the oxygen has differences. Oxygen has differences in their properties with other members of group, ग्रुप के जो अदर मेंबर्स हैं उनसे उनके कंपैरिजन में ऑक्सीजन हैज द डिफरेंट properties. Now general properties related to the oxygen, physical state, general properties. Generally gas at room temperature, RT, room temperature. Oxygen is gas at room temperature. Others are solid. Others elements are solid. Others are complex structures like S8 and selenium also have the complex structure. So others have the complex structure. Oxygen is in form of diatomic molecule. That is diatomic molecule. Oxygen is present in the form of diatomic molecule. It has. Okay. Now another property which we have in this, oxygen has the more electronegativity with comparison to the other elements. It means oxygen is a non-metal. Oxygen is non-metal. Another, sulfur is also non-metal. But others are metallic in nature. Others are metallic in nature. Other elements are metallic in their nature. Now we have the another property related to this, and that is the oxidation state. So just we discuss regarding to the oxidation states. In how many oxidation states this particular element is present. The oxidation state property, oxidation states of oxygen, oxidation states of oxygen. Usually it shows the -2 oxidation state. Oxygen usually shows -2 oxidation state. Generally it shows the -2 oxidation state, but it also shows the +2 oxidation state in case of the OF2. In case of OF2 it shows the +2 oxidation state. We all know that oxygen does not have the d orbitals. That is why it cannot expand its octet and hence cannot show the positive oxidation states. Other elements present in this group have the vacant d orbitals and hence they show the positive oxidation states like +2, +4, +6. Other elements shows these positive oxidation states. due to the presence of d orbitals, due to presence of d orbitals, due to the presence of d orbitals in them. Now we know that in one condition where the oxygen is present in +1 oxidation state, and that molecule is O2F2. This O2F2 molecule is present in the +1 oxidation state. Now another thing which we have, the nature of the compounds, different kind of compounds, generally oxygen formed, and it is form the negative ion, that is known as O2 minus. Multiple bond forming, multiple bond formation. Oxygen is the tendency of multiple bond formation, like oxygen forms the multiple bond with carbon, it also forms the multiple bond with nitrogen, it also forms the multiple bond with the other elements. In case we all know that oxygen when reacts with the hydrogen, hydride formation, hydride formation. When the oxygen reacts with the oxygen plus hydrogen, then we get the hydride. So hydride formation tendency is the character of the oxygen. So these are the general points related to oxygen. That is the atomic oxygen. We have the detail of the dioxygen, that is O2. So we will continue with our points in our next class. Thank you for this class. Okay.